All right, once again, I'm in my trailer fixing something that's broken. I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about it while I show it to you. So here is where the mattress goes on, and we have a couple of hinges on each side there in the middle. And what had happened is when I first bought this trailer, it didn't have no springs on it. It didn't have no shocks right there. So I put those in. And as you saw in a previous video, see, just a lot of storage down there, you can store a lot of stuff. On the previous video, these walls on each side blew out. So these guys right here, I put those plates on both sides. And that's where I put one of the shocks right there, the struts. And what had happened this time now is, see up there on the top, you got the boards. So what I always say is, something's gonna happen on one side, you better reinforce the other side, because the other side eventually is gonna blow out. So down here, as you saw on the other video, if you haven't, go ahead and look on our playlist and everything like that. All the videos we have, there'll be a video there about how I strengthened this, and instead of just those little nails that come out, you know, like staples, I went ahead and just put the drywall screws through the wood, and then sometimes, in case like this right here, it's hollow, so you actually have to put a piece of pine in there or something like that. You cut it into shape, and then, you know, so I made that real strong. But like I said, it blew out there, and now it's blowing out up here. So the next job that I got to do is go ahead and fix that. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like when I complete it, or as I'm going along. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. So this is the one that came loose, the board there. I just wanted to go ahead and show you that it's like when I put this in, you would think that it would hold with all those nails and everything like that. But again, this is the side that's attached to the wood, the plywood, and you see that there's no glue or anything like that on it. So at least on this one, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on it and put it back over here on this side. And then I'm going to go ahead and, you know, at least put probably take this off, put a screw down, and then go ahead and maybe put about 6 screws throughout this whole length. And then I'll go ahead and do it on the other side too. But there, it's not coming off, so I'm going to go ahead and just put about 6 screws on that end. And then also, where the wood comes down on this side, I'm going to go ahead and put some screws in there too, to make sure none of it comes apart. So I'm using these galvanized screws. They actually go through the plywood and into the 1.5 by 1.5 piece underneath. And I went ahead and put about 6-7 screws here, and then along here, spaced it around 6 inches apart. And I'm gonna go ahead and just place the screws in there like that, and sink those in with the drill. And you also want to make sure that it's beneath the wood there, so it's like when you put the mattress back on, the nails don't rip the bottom part of the mattress. So, but at least now I'm hoping that I'm not going to have another problem putting the mattress on and then being able to lift it up to get the storage from underneath that we have. See, what I'm doing right now is making sure that these you know, are below the wood there, so the head of the screw is not sticking out above the wood. So what I am actually doing is sinking each one of these, and then I found that if you put it in reverse, the drill bit, it is a lot cleaner. And I'll go ahead and vacuum and show you what I'm talking about. So there you go, right there. You see the hole in the smaller hole in the middle where the screw is going to go in, and then the head is going to be able to go just below the wood surface. So I got to do that to those three. But like I said, I put my drill in reverse and press a little bit hard, and then I get a nice clean hole there. Well, like I said, I went ahead and put some glue on there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this on the bottom side, get one screw in there, and get one screw on the other side, and then start tightening them all up. Okay, when there's no weight on top of this lid right here, and for your storage underneath, and you only got one strut in there, it makes it kind of difficult to lift it when there's a mattress on it. But when there's no weight on it, even having one strut, you got to really pull hard to get it open like this. And then you need two hands to bring it up or down without the mattress, and you also need two hands to bring it up and down when you have the mattress on. I went ahead and started with this screw right here, and I put glue on the wood underneath, and then I went ahead and sunk this one in until it got the 1.5 by 1.5 board underneath, and then I went ahead and put that screw back there in, and now I'm going to go ahead and sink all these screws in to make that wood nice and tight and secure to the plywood here. And that's, you know, that'll be it. Then I'll have to go ahead and reattach the strut on the left side here, since that's originally where it broke off. So this is the strut on the right hand side as you're facing the bed, and I went ahead and sank two of these screws right there, wood screws, or deck screws as you call them, and they go from here all the way into the wood. I went ahead and drilled the hole first so it doesn't split the wood, and I just wanted to make sure that this was really secure on there. It's being supported now with all the screws that I got from on the top here on down, and then over here the wood. So this right here is also screwed down with some deck screws, so that's nice and tight on there. So it just makes it more secure. You know, I don't want anything else to blow out. Like I said, I put these struts on by myself, and the manufacturer did not have this on there. So like I said, just a lot of storage down here to put a lot of different things, and you put them underneath the mattress, and then with these struts on each side, it makes it that much easier to lift it. Well, I'm down here, and usually the best way to learn something is from other people's mistakes, whether it's the manufacturer that built this trailer and they didn't put these you know, back there and over here the struts in, and I just want to show you what I got to do to get this down with no mattress on top. So you would think that these struts, that's a lot of pressure that they're creating. So let me go ahead and just turn the camera a little bit right there. So these struts have a lot of pressure on it. And then, you know, I reinforced it down here, reinforced it up here because it just broke. And like I said, I got videos on here about all the different things that I have done on this trailer to just fix it, make it better than what it was, and you know, then you wind up trading it in or selling it. But I did quite a few improvements on here, and there's a couple of things that you know, it still needs work on it. So maybe that'll be another video on another day. But so let me go ahead and show you that to get this down, you got to get one side here with your hand, and just really push down, and then you got the thing down. Now you put the mattress back on, it's not going to be that bad. So when you lift it up, you just got to hold it down, but it's really strong. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and just close it and bring the mattress back. While I have the mattress off, there's these two hinges here. This one doesn't look too great, and that one looks a little better. But I'm gonna go ahead and tighten both of these because I have a funny feeling in the future there's gonna be problems with those hinges. Well, here's the fun part, trying to get this back over there. And I don't know, it's a very comfortable mattress. You know, if you're gonna be sleeping on a mattress at home, you want it to be comfortable. If you go away for a couple of nights, even a couple of weeks, some people say, well, it's camping, you know, why don't you, you know, rough it? It's like, well, as you get older, this is roughing it. I got a very comfortable mattress. I can sleep on it really good when I go camping. So now, you should have saw me when I tried to get this into the trailer. That was a feat. Now, I got it. I'll show you how I have it in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera, me trying to get it. So, here's that view. I'll go ahead and put this on time-elapsed. There you go. You might have said, you know, why don't you have two people in here to help you? It's like there's not enough room for me, the mattress, and somebody else in here. So doing it this way, hey, got it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is when the mattress is on here and you lift it up and you lift it back down. So like I said, you go ahead and put one hand here from the bottom and lift. Opens real nice. You get your support from that side, and then you could have all your goodies down there, which I'm actually going to put some more stuff down there. Okay, so what you do then is like you do the opposite. You know, you lift up, you're putting your hands underneath, and then when you push it down from there, and you give it a certain amount of pressure. But it's like, I really think that everything is good. I could have said that last time too, but something else broke. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower it. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. Okay, that was nice and easy to lower it. And then sometimes the mattress moves a little bit, so I take my knee or my thighs and I push against here. Lift up on the mattress and push. So there you have it, all fixed up again. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.